Super Trucks Racing. Interesting. I don't know that I've played it. Let's check it out. From 2003 by Jester Interactive. Now, I can't imagine a sport more redneck than NASCAR, but we may have just found it. Let's do something balanced. All right, let's just jump into the race. Look at these trucks. Oh boy. Uh-oh. There's my gas. Got a bit of a late start, boys. Let's see if we can catch up. You know what? This isn't too bad. Cheating like a mofo. Oh, that dude hit me like I owed him money. Let's get on it. The PS2 was great for racers. Whoa! I guess you don't want to cheat that much, do you? Oh, now I'm way back. All right, let's see if we can catch back up. And you forget, the PlayStation had pressure-sensitive buttons. 256 degrees of sensitivity, if memory serves. Oh, you hear my tires squealing? I have not figured out how to do this yet. Oh, somebody got warned for excessive contact. HR will be contacting him. Ooh, yeah, it's hard to get the handling down on these trucks. Okay, so that's my top speed right there, 120. Come on, boys. Hey, you're off the track. That's cool. Something else that's cool is the BigLipRadio podcast. You can catch us live. Me, Z-Money, Bulk Lesnar, and Sailor Bob every Wednesday between 5:30 and 6, wherever you get your podcasts.